the transmutation. Turning metal into gold is just a metaphor for transmuting from one form to another. So
fish again. That fucking fish again. Okay. Tell me about that.
We're just waiting for John to get in the room. What's the craziest thing you ever said in an elevator?
The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted.
You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game. And let me ask you that, was it easier having...
who are biologically predisposed, you know, I would say to extrasensory perception could really...
You ever met a Jehovah's Witness? Is there anything you'd like to plug or mention?
really means is the transmutation.
Improvise your way to the groundlings. You want to get out, you want to get anywhere. Well,
and then there was the guy after him.
Ray Combs.
So cool. You have any movie posters? Greta Thunberg!
Those are the lines.
And that's your woman voice?
That's my woman voice.
I'm trying to, you know, be healthier.
No, I want the real answer, Fred. Don't bullshit me.
And you do your stuff.
Yeah.
So you're like, and then you would have all these guests, and it's funny because you would put these guests, and these are celebrities, and you would have these celebrities on. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.